Entech Industrial Solutions Company Limited, a leading company providing industrial IoT solutions for energy, safety, and environmental measuring instruments, founded in 1993. With our potential and continuous improvement, the company has been expanding its business into pharmaceutical machinery, security system, rescue equipment, including rental business.
Entech Industrial Solution Company Limited has also established branch office at Maptaput Center, Rayong City, in order to serve growing business for those customers who are in the eastern region. We have always realized that quality of our product and service is essential to customer success. The company therefore commits to quality management system development and has been certified to ISO 9001, including our calibration laboratory that has been accredited to ISO 17025 standard. Vision: to be the leading company providing industrial IoT solutions for measuring instrument and security systems. With commitment to provide excellent service to customers, company's core values have been implanting to all employees for enthusiasm, nice, trust, execution, care, and honesty. Our products. With realization that quality of measuring instrument and automatic control system influence to production process, product quality, and environment of customers, we strictly select only high-quality, world-class products for our customers. The measuring instruments and industrial IoT solutions for energy saving, air conditioning and heating systems, industrial safety, quality control, process control, environmental monitoring, pharmaceutical machinery. The security system and rescue solutions for public transportation, industry, smart building, safe city, firefighting vehicles and fireboat, rescue and fire protection equipment. Our services. We provide services for preventive maintenance, measuring instrument rental, in-house on-site repairing and calibration. With long experience in measuring instruments, industrial machinery, and security systems, Entech Industrial Solutions Company Limited is pleased to serve the best to our customers by using our expertise with full effort. We commit to provide quality service, keep promises, continuously improve quality systems in order to be long-lasting business partner of customer success.